Welcome, in front of me I have Realme Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. So first we need to open the Realme Link application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it like this. In the app you should see the home page, and on it you should see your Realme Watch 5 on the list of my devices. Tap on it. On this page, scroll down and find the delete button or delete device button. Tap on it, tap on confirm and wait. The watch will reset itself to the factory default settings. Also, you will see the pop-up about the removing of device in settings, so tap on settings. It will direct you to apps, but what we need to do is to go back. We need to tap on Bluetooth. We need to find the Realme Watch 5 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on forget device and forget device. And the same for the Realme Watch 5 PT if you see it here. Okay, and then you can close the settings and the app, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.